Welcome to another cooking tips video. On this video, I'm going to show you what to do with an overly ripe banana. Most people throw them away. I know I used to until I found out some simple stuff I can use for it. I'm going to show you some tips. So like most people, I used to just throw away the bananas when they were really overripe, when they started getting a little bit of brown and stuff like that. So then I started learning stuff I could use for it. Like I love banana chips, so I would dry them out. But one of the biggest things I found out that really came to help me out a lot as I got better at cooking and everything was to freeze them. So I'm going to show you the procedure to freezing a banana when it's overly ripe, so you can pull it out and use it for desserts or for smoothies like I use. All right, so step one, as you can imagine, is to peel it. So you just take your time, because sometimes when they're overly ripe, they're really soft and smushy. Step two is to discard the black tip. Now I'm going to take nice slices. Okay, when the slices are done, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to grab a little plate. This is called a hot plate, but you can use whatever you have, a sheet pan or whatever. Next, I'll put a piece of saran wrap right over the plate. This is going to make sure when I throw these bananas into the freezer that they don't stick to the plate. Because of the moisture in the banana, it would solidify with the plate. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to take another piece of film and go over the top of that. This is going to make it so the banana doesn't turn brown on you. Next, you're going to throw in the freezer for an hour. All right, so we're back. The bananas are nice and frozen now, so now what we're going to do is carefully unpeel the plastic wrap. So you see how it doesn't stick. Next, you're going to take a little Ziploc bag, grab them, put them inside. At this point, they're frozen enough where you can put them together and they won't stick together. To keep them, all you do is throw them back in the freezer in your Ziploc bag. See, nice and easy. So there you go, an easy way to use your ripe bananas for another day, or a smoothie or a dessert, like I said earlier in the video. You can use it for anything you want, but the point of this video was to show you not to waste food. I think right now, one of the biggest things I see, especially where I work, is a lot of waste. So what I try to do is find ways to use the product even when it's not at its optimal. So like the bananas, it's a little too ripe, but I can freeze it, pull it out as I need, make some banana bread, some desserts, some chocolate cakes. There's so many things I do with it, but smoothies at home is an easy one. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and there'll be more like this to come. As always, new video drops every Tuesday. Right now it's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays that I drop videos. I have a lot of stuff coming out, vlogs, cooking shows, tip videos. There's a lot of stuff. So hopefully you like all the content I've been putting out, and I'll see you guys next week. As always, follow me on Instagram at ChefJesseQ, on Twitter at ChefJesseQ, and at Facebook at ChefJesseQ. Until next week, take it easy.